hear that? Pure 5-0 Coyote. You can't get that from no Dodge. You can't. We good with y'all boys, man. I know it's kind of loud, but we about to wash our car right quick.
You have selected the Super Car Wash. Please deposit $14.
I already did that game. Let me roll my windows up because we not about to. I'm about to take it out of gear. I'm tripping. Let's see where it tells me to stop. I seen some YNs with a charger, so let me wash my door. I mean, not wash my door. Let me lock my door. I'm tripping. I'm worrying about that car wash, but I'm putting my seatbelt on. I'm tripping, man. Oh, I'm trapped. They're telling me to drive forward, so we about to get this thing nice and, you know what I'm saying? Oh man, it's done. Oh, I thought that was the Girl Reaper, y'all boy. Thought we did something wrong. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and pull out of here over here. The YN's down left, I heard them. We're about to go ahead and pull out this thing, man. Don't straight. If y'all really want to know how loud y'all exhaust is, you know what you need to do? Take off whatever you did that made it sound different from the beginning and put on the factory. And I guarantee you'll know how loud your car is after that. Honest, I didn't even know my car sounded like this, man. It sounds monstrous. Look at the dog. I gotta get y'all down shit. Should be so crazy without cats, bruh. I'm telling y'all, we about to go a different way though. No, we're not going the same way. I'm trying to figure out, do I got anything that I need to pick up before I go home or anything? They're really in my way of where I wanted to go. So I'm gonna have to take a detour to come back. I wanted to go that way, but they kind of messed that up. We're gonna turn around though. It's all cool. All cool, man. I don't even need gas, but we just gonna use this to turn around. We're gonna turn around up in here. I don't know how clean my car is, but we're gonna see though. We're gonna go back out this way. mess with him, see what he do. I got my loud exhaust on like last video. I was trying to talk to people, so we gonna see, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna slow down just a little bit. I'm gonna be downshift near him and see what he do. See if he get a reaction. He can't hear me from right here, so I gotta slow down. Downshifts. There's been a lot of police out here today. I don't know why. I guess because it's near the holidays, so I guess people just going crazy or doing whatever. The Challenger is all the way back there, and we're about to make a turn, so you know, hurry up. Like, is this my same exhaust? Like, where did all this come from? I just seen my third police today. I didn't say anything, but I just did, so we're gonna be kind of careful about what we're doing. And to be honest with y'all, boy, what was that? Oh, I didn't know the pop sounded like that. Why y'all ain't letting me know, bro? I didn't even know the pop sounded like that. It sounded like gunshots, man. Scaring people, man. Y'all ain't even told me that. I also got a second channel. I haven't posted videos on it yet, but if you find it, you find it. So I'm not giving it to nobody. I just want to camera lost, so I don't want to still record. But I don't want to give it out to nobody. I just want everybody to just naturally find it. So eventually I might announce the channel, but over there we're just gonna be doing like regular videos, regular vlogs, day in the lives, just regular stuff, so y'all see what I be doing on a day-to-day basis. Why you in? off, time to turn right. The camera does not do any justice. I know I be saying that, but it really don't. Like, this is the loudest thing I ever heard next to my ears in my presence. Besides the Corsa Extreme Long Feathers, it's about the loudest thing I heard. I can give y'all a little pull. Coyote. Hear that? Pure 5-0 Coyote. You can't get that from no Dodge. You can't. I hit y'all. I'm saying I hit y'all boys up. I see y'all boys in the next video, man. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, man. It's your boy, Selma.
And I promise I am.